part of the video that I'm going to be talking in simply because I want to talk about all the items you will need, because we're going to jump right into this video. Everything else is going to be voiced over because it's just easier. So anyway, you will need one of these long jars from Dollar Tree, white rocks from Dollar Tree, these little bitty wicker balls from Dollar Tree. I made this little mat out of the nautical rope that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. And you just hot glue it round and round. I'm sure there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube that you can find for that. You need one of these flower buckets that they have. I made this like really janky, like rustic farmhouse bead thing, and I found one of these medallions at Dollar Tree, which kind of goes with the flowers we are going to be using. So I'm not actually going to paint over this. I'm going to keep it as is. And I already attached it to the bead rope. You're going to need one roll of the burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. I saved these. These are the Martinelli sparkling apple cider jars you can get at Dollar Tree, and I drank them and I kept them, and I'm going to actually wrap them in the nautical rope. I'm going to actually pull this apart and hot glue it around. This is just a piece of burlap that I have. Don't mind Destiny. She's just choking. She'll be fine. Here goes a piece of burlap that I have from, I don't know, we will be probably using. These are from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to put it as part of the scape. Some hot glue sticks. This is from, I believe, Walmart. And this is what I have left of it. I think this is boxwood. This I purchased from Walmart. It's one of the lavender picks that is very much in use. They've gone up in price. They're not 97 cents anymore. They're like $1.47 now. Ugh. And then some lilies, right? Yeah, lilies from Dollar Tree. And then, of course, one of their floral blocks that I will be cutting in half. Got a little mat here because I don't want to completely dirty up my table, and a hot glue gun. So this is everything that you will need to do your tablescape. Oh, and then this mat too, I got at Target on sale like years ago. So something that you want to put your tablescape on. Okay, and the rest of the video will be me putting everything together.
So I started off by cutting the foam, the floral foam, and realized I didn't need to. It already came separated in 4 different square pieces. So, oh well, it's okay. I ended up using 3. Now I'm getting this lavender pick that was 97 cents, but has gone up in price to $1.47. I am cutting each of the stem off with wire cutters that I got from Dollar Tree. They're a little hard to separate, but hey, you got them for $1. So yep, just separating the stems. Be careful, you do get a little powder. This is pretty explanatory. I'm doing the same thing to the boxwood stem. This next step is pretty much to your own taste. You just start kind of playing around and placing the cut stems into the floral foam, just how is most pleasing to your eyes. So that's simply all that I'm doing here with my lavender picks, the boxwood picks, and eventually my lilies. I will pop in here and give a disclaimer that I also did cut the lilies off of the stem that I was on, just so that I could space them out and place them to where you couldn't see the holes left, because I didn't have enough lavender or boxwood picks. So this is cute and I'm liking the way it looks, but I feel like something is kind of missing, and I did have that piece of burlap, so I just kind of tucked it in right there. The next thing I'm going to do is take this burlap ribbon that has the lace right down the center of it, and I'm going to cut 3 pieces. I'd say about 5 to 6 inches long each. And all you're going to do, this is really, really simple, is you kind of just do a little trifold right at the end. Get your hot glue gun, put a dot of glue on the back and the front, wait for it to cool just a little bit, and then with your fingers, mash it down together so that it makes like a hard end, and this will help you be able to push it into the floral foam a lot easier. Okay, and now it's time to just put in the burlap ribbon wherever you want to place them. Again, you can make how many more you want. You can make them a bit longer than 5 or 6 inches. It's total preference. I chose to just do 3, and I'm just spacing them out in this little floral centerpiece. As a last little touch, I did glue down the burlap because it just felt unfinished to me. So starting with these bottles, the Sparkling Martinelli's apple cider bottles, I am unwinding the nautical rope. It actually is 3 separate pieces wound together into one. So I'm unwinding it because I want the 3 separate pieces. And you're going to start with just one of the thin pieces. Put a dot of glue. I started at the bottom. I felt it was easier. Put a dot of glue wherever you want to start at the bottom. Hold the nautical rope onto that spot until it dries, and then continue adding a drop of hot glue every now and then, just to hold it. So now that you have all of your pieces done and ready, it's just a matter of putting it on this beaded mat or whatever you choose to put your centerpiece on together. I am just kind of playing around with it. I kind of already knew how I wanted it in my head, so I'm putting one jar behind, one jar in front, and kind of intertwining the farm bead medallion thingy. Like I said, I didn't paint over the medallion. I actually liked the colors and the flowers on the front of it. So all I had to do was tie it to the farm rope bead thingamajig. I'm sticking part of it inside of the bottle just because I like the look of it. And that's it. Really, really simple, stress-free centerpiece. And I just love the way it came out. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and continue to be on the lookout for more DIY rustic decor.